In this video, I'm going to explain step by step on how to buy the Kenya Pipeline Corporation shares of the initial public offer. So stay tuned. Can you see this code? So you are going to dial star 483 star 816 hash. You dial star 483 star 81 hash. Then after that one, you will be directed to whereby you will be required to select the menu whereby are you by applying the option 1 where it says is it a new application, step 2 earn shares, step 3 make or earn payment, step 4 update the refund bank or offer document. Then you are told to press as or star for home or back. So here, for example, if you haven't purchased these shares there before, that was on date 19, and this will be closed on date 19 of next month. So it's a duration of only 1 month. You are going to select new application, which is number 1. Then after there, you will select on send. I think you can see. Then the next thing, you will be told to enter the first 3 characters of your broker or your investment bank name. For example, here you can see on my screen, they have given, for example, Ken, then you are going to enter your broker. So here, for example, someone might ask, if I don't have a broker, what am I going to fill? So this one, for you to buy these shares, you must have a broker. And if you don't know how to have a broker, drop a comment in the comment section and I will make a video on how to get your CDS number. So after you have typed your first 3 characters of your broker or your investment bank, then the next step is, for example, I have already typed I won't mention it here because it is confidential. Then you will be told to select your broker or the investment bank. After you have typed the 3 initial characters, so the name of your broker will appear on the next page. For example, as you can see here, mine is already appearing on the screen. So you are going to press number 1 for you to proceed on the next step. Then the next thing, you are told to select, then you can see you are told to select the CDS investor category. What does this category mean? Is this a local individual, or is it a foreign individual, or is it a East African individual? So for my case, because my broker is within the locality, I chose local individual, which is number 1. Then the next thing which you will be required to do is you enter your CDS account number, and you are told in the bracket you ignore the leading zeros. So for example, my CDS number is confidential, so I'm not going to share it on public. You will enter in your CDS number. From there, you select on set, you can see it there on the screen. Then the next thing which you will be required to do is you will be required to enter your national ID number. So I think why they're asking this question is they want to confirm whether the information you are giving out to them, they are they are going hand in hand with the one which you already shared with your broker the day you are opening your CDS account. So you will enter your ID number, blah 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 blah. Then the next thing, your full name will appear. For example, if you have three names on your ID, will appear on your screen when you will be buying these shares. Then you will be asked or to enter the number of shares. As you can see, you will be asked to enter the number of shares to apply, and the minimum is 100. As I already and informed you earlier, the minimum is 100 shares. So I went ahead and typed the number of shares which I was intending to buy. And for you to buy these shares doesn't mean you are a millionaire. No. With yourself 900, 1800, all the way to up to trillion, you can become a shareholder. I think the Kenya pipeline has lost something billions of shares. So there are quite many, but because I know there are many investors, this is the best time for you to venture into this buying and selling of shares. So the next page, your name will appear, your ID number, as you can see on my screen, your ID number, your broker or investment bank. For my case, it is the Kingdom Securities. Your CDS number will also appear, the number of shares and amount, the number of shares you are buying, and the amount of shillings which you are required for you to pay. If it is 3,000, all those 3,600, it will depend. Then you type on agree. After you agree, you will be asked, there is this one question which is appearing at the end of the process, whereby they asking you if you are a Kenyan pipeline employee. Then if you are one of them, you type on yes. If you are not one of them, then you reply with no. Then the next step, you will be required to select the payment method, whereby number one, if you want to buy through M-Pesa, or step two or method two is through the bank transfer. So you are going to choose for your case. If you have money in your bank account, you can select the bank transfer, or if you have your money in M-Pesa, for example, here in Kenya, you can go ahead and choose number one. Then after that, they will you will be told the application has been submitted. Then you will be given the serial number. You can see the serial number. Then they will ask you if you want to pay now via M-Pesa or pay later. If you already have this amount of money which is required in your M-Pesa, you can select pay now. There's no need for you to procrastinate to say that, for example, I will buy tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. No, pay now and wait for the result. And I know these KPC shares is going to increase strategically. So for the capital gain investors, this is your best time for you to invest. Then the last step is you will be asked if you want to pay that amount of money to this, which is your broker, to KPC. Then you will be required to enter your M-Pesa PIN, and after that an M-Pesa message will pop up, as you can see, and you will have completed buying of your share. So it's as simple as that. So this is the best time for you to start investing in shares. These shares are quite doing very, very, very well. Let's tune. I'm going to continue on the process on or sectors for you to venture when it comes to buying of shares. So this month I'm going to concentrate on shares, and if you have any question about shares, go ahead and drop it in the comment section and I'm going to answer it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share it to someone who may need it. Bye bye. Have a blessed day.